available right now, and they're selling really, really fast. So if you want to see the magic with me and my amazing friends this Christmas, you better get yourself a ticket on our website or in the box office. It's going to be brilliant.
We're here at Harlow Town Park, a showground right here, preparing for a bonfire night fireworks display in Harlow. It's going to be a beautiful day at least, yeah, definitely. Wow. Beautiful.
If you are going to come, you're going to need one of the ticket things.
Yeah, 5:30 is bonfire lit, and then 6:30 is fireworks day, fireworks night. It'll be fireworks time at 6:30 after this thing, just right here, that is going to be lit. It's 5:33. Wow. It's bonfire night, it is Christmas. Just before Christmas, it'll be my 26th birthday. So yeah.
Then you better go and get them right now. They're selling super fast. You can get them on our website or the box office, and it'll be the best gift you can have this Christmas. Seeing me and my terrible jokes.
Beautiful.
Did you hear about the Spanish magician? Yeah.
Wow.
He did this trick. He carried down. He went,
beautiful one.
Uno, dos, and then he vanished without a trace.
Spanish without a trace. Wow. Oh. Wow. Amazing. That's incredible. That's a good show. That's incredible. Yeah. Here we are. I really enjoyed the fireworks display in Harlow Town Park right here at the showground, and that was the best one I've ever seen. Like last year though, there was quite a bit of half of it, but yeah. Me and my dad went there quite early. Yeah. Yay!
Ooh, it's freezing there, George.
Yeah, it's freezing cold. It's getting colder as usual. It's getting cold, it's getting pretty cold. Okay, everyone's heading home now, the roads are closed while they finish the day, at least for the night. That was a beautiful day it is. So I'll make sure I get home, get ready for work tomorrow. That was a good time, very good time. Okay guys, we're back. Just got back from the Harlow Town Park to see the bonfire night, or call it a fireworks night. I should call it a fireworks display. And to be honest with me though, I really enjoyed it. So got my stuff right here to take home. That's amazing. That's from the refrigerator and stuff. Let's get my stuff ready heading back to my home to get to work. I'll wake up at 6:30 tomorrow morning. Bright up early for tomorrow morning because it's Monday tomorrow. Today is Sunday because it's the 5th of November. So I really enjoyed it. It's Skyfall's night tonight, and that's amazing stuff. Special safety notice: please get dogs inside. Listen to music, stuff like that. Don't want to distract it. Dogs hate fireworks as well. By the way, to be honest with me. So I might chill a little bit, and I get my hat and bag sorted to get home. I mean, my home, I suppose. Get for the rest of the night. For the rest of I might chill the rest of the evening at home, my home, as we call it, and I'll be going to work tomorrow morning. So I'll be bright and early in time for 8 o'clock. So that will be amazing. East Village, I should call it. So it's pretty amazing night, tonight, and that's amazing time. Amazing time, amazing night, spot on. And that's incredible time as well at that, because that's amazing. So I really enjoyed it. I don't know what I'm supposed to say right now because it's my vlogs, I call it. Vlogs. The fireworks blogs, what you should call it, the vlogs of fireworks. That's what I should call it as well. I'll put a title of it, that would be great. So I really enjoyed it, especially as I am. And me and my dad enjoyed it. It was amazing. Me and my dad just got here left about 4:30, or 4-ish, I should call it. Got in time about 5 o'clock, just getting here early. I just got there, me and my dad just get there early, went for a walk. It's a pretty nice walk. It's good and healthy to go for a walk over in Harlow, which is right there. I used to be over here. We might do it again after New Year's Day. So it might be a fun time. So it's a really nice walk. Really enjoyed it. And we're taking pretty good directions as well. That was amazing. And I might just chill for the rest of the evening at home. So not this one, but at home. So that's incredible. So hopefully have fireworks at the moment, a garden, as you call it, in the moment. And that's amazing as well. So definitely give it a try. I might do this again sometime next year, I suppose so. So I really enjoyed it. It's an amazing time. Possibly I might do this again next year, or probably Ali Pali or here. I don't know. We'll check the calendar for next year. So that'll be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care. Have a good day. Amazing weekend, by the way. Enjoy your Monday tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care. And goodbye.